Reward yourself with the work-life balance you deserve. When it's time to clock out, take the opportunity to de-stress and recharge. A drive away from the city's prime establishments, Grand Mesa Residences is strategically located near several commercial areas, premier universities, hospitals, and leisure spots, giving you the perfect place to access convenience and comfort. Come home to amenities that energize and encourage you to stay active. Enjoy a refreshing run on our spacious jogging path that you can enjoy with friends. Or embrace La Mesa Eco Park's lush landscape just 5 minutes away from your home. Being close to nature has never felt this grand. Choose a home that's perfect for every lifestyle. Check out our Beyond Ordinary project at Pearl Street, Barangay Fairview, Quezon City. Reserve your nature-inspired unit today.